welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways of saying I don't know in Romanian. Now, please be aware that some of the phrases are a little bit blunter than the others, and I don't recommend using them in every context, like for example, if you're in a formal setting. And one more thing, as you probably know, Romanian is a highly inflected language, meaning that words in a sentence are modified to express different grammatical categories, such as person, number, gender, tense, etc. That is why many of these phrases that I'm showing you in this series of videos can take different forms depending on, for example, the gender of the person using them, or the gender of the person you're talking to, or depending on the setting, like for example if you're talking to a friend or if you're talking to your boss. For this reason, from now on, unlike other times, I'm going to add a couple of comments here and there where I think it's necessary to show you that a phrase can take different forms in different situations, or if there are other common alternatives for the same phrase. That being said, let's begin. Nu sunt sigur. Here, the adjective sigur can change depending on the gender of the person using it. So if you're a male, you're going to say sigur, but if you're a female, you're going to use sigură. So, nu sunt sigură. You can also add something like 100% for emphasis. So, nu sunt 100% sigur, or nu sunt 100% sigură. Mă tem că nu știu să îți răspund la întrebare. Here the pronominal form îți is informal, which means that in a formal setting you will use something different, in this case vă. So, mă tem că nu știu să vă răspund la întrebare. Îmi pare rău, dar nu știu. Din păcate, nu știu nimic despre. Here you can add what you don't know specifically, and the preposition despre requires the accusative case. Nu am nici cea mai mică idee. Or another common variant is with vagă instead of mică. So, nu am nici cea mai vagă idee. Habar n-am. Și eu mă întreb același lucru. Dacă aș ști, ți-aș spune. Here again, the pronoun ți is a mark of the informal register. If you want to use this phrase in a formal conversation, you have to change the pronoun. So instead of ți, you'll have v. Dacă aș ști, v-aș spune. Această problemă mă depășește. Now, in a casual setting, you can use the shorter and informal forms of the demonstrative adjectives. So instead of aceasta, you can use asta, but pay attention that these shorter forms always come after the noun. So they're placed after the noun and the noun gets a definite article. So, problema asta mă depășește. For emphasis, you can add, for example, the construction cu desăvârșire. So, problema asta mă depășește cu desăvârșire. De unde să știu așa ceva? Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. And as always, if you have any suggestions for future videos or any comment, any blah blah. What just happened? I meant any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alrighty, I'll see you next time. Be happy!